You guys want a selfie? Okay. No way, I don't believe it.
Come.
FM mode.
How's breakfast?
Indicopters Private Limited.
Indicopters. Okay. Oh, and they do Airbus.
No, this is
well.
not.
Yeah.
This company.
Strong, right?
We're at a church, trying to pray, hopefully getting invited to stay. Got the kitchen tonight, so cooking up a pasta. Well, we've been stuck here most of the day waiting for the rain to clear, but I think it's good to go now, so we're gonna get a late start, probably 2 o'clock, and see how many kilometers we can get in today. We just landed a place to crash. Aftab offered us a place, so we said, yeah, bro, here we go.
Alright, so it's getting dark. We just cycled about 40k. It's maybe looking a little rainy. Pulled up into that town
To buy some bananas before it got dark.
What else can you eat peanut butter with?
And Akbar came over and helped us out with the prices.
Because Indians are always trying to rip you off. Every day, all day, every night, all night.
And later asked where we were going. So we're looking for a place to sleep, and he said, after a bit of thought, you can come to my house. So we went to his house, and his family's really nice.
Dad was nice. His uncle was really weird. He was just a starer. He just stared at you. Didn't say anything. Couldn't speak a word of English. Just talk at you in Hindi. Not get a response, and he just stare. He was weird. Brothers were nice. Little brother held my hand this morning. That was a new one. Don't know how I feel about that. It stirred some things in me. I'm just going to keep those thoughts to myself.
The neighbors were having a wedding ceremony, so there's music blasting till 4 a.m.
Well, they asked us if we wanted to come to the wedding. We were like, no. I've always wanted to go to an Indian wedding, but at this point I'm just too tired and couldn't be.
We set the tent up inside at the top because a lot of mosquitoes hadn't been finished and just hard to sleep, too much noise.
So we're just gonna go to sleep. They came in pretty much as soon as I went into bed. Luckily, I was in the tent, so I just pretended to be asleep, as you do. It's a daily thing in India. You just pretend to be asleep and see how long it worked for.
Kids kept coming in and trying to turn the lights on, and at one point, I think at like 12:30,
I was in a deep sleep. They rolled back in about 12:30 to start trying to get us to go to the wedding. I didn't come round till halfway out of the conversation.
3 kids came in and they even tried to zip open the tent and get us to come outside. After we told them we're sleeping, go away, sorry, you know, we're sleeping, no, no, no.
You started going crazy at them.
And you had to yell at them just to get them to leave.
No, go, go. I think they got the message in the end, but that was my deep sleepover for the night.
And then I had to message Akbar saying, can you keep people out of here, you know, we're trying to sleep. So it was under control after that.
Found someone upstairs to go for a piss. I pissed in the hay pile in the corner of the other room where the cows ate. I wasn't going downstairs. They're probably all going to be there. I didn't want to make contact with anyone, so I just pissed in the hay pile in the corner of the room. So those cows are going to have a tasty meal.
We thought we were going to go visit a temple. He offered us to take us, but in the end it didn't happen because he didn't have a motorcycle license, so he couldn't really take us.
Didn't wake up pissing wet in the morning like we did the night before, so had that going for us, which is nice.
Had a nice breakfast, checked out the wedding for a bit.
Chola and fried chapati. This guy's filming us. We're gonna film him.
They go for 4 days. It's a Muslim wedding. So 4 days non-stop. I don't think they sleep at all, really. They still had another day of partying to do, so definitely couldn't stick around for another day.
I slept like a bag of shit last night, so
I'm not really recharged, pretty tired, but what can you do?
haven't shit myself yet, so that's great. Happy days, back on the road. Let's get out of here.
So onward to Bangladesh. Here we go.
Hey Andy, are they smoking something out here?
I think they're growing something out here and smoking it.
We're having technical difficulties and a crowd.
Hey Andy, how are you feeling? You happy?
I can't breathe.
You love it. Late in the day,
At least I found it.
I'm surprised. Oh, they're giving you some space, right?
But if you have any problem, one selfie please.
Yeah, take a selfie.
We've been trying to find a place to sleep for the past hour. There was a Christian school. 2 sisters said we couldn't stay after 45 minutes of thinking about it. So now it's pitch black. This other guy decided to help us, and I think we're gonna stay at a temple. And this happens probably 30 or 40 times a day. I just get tired of answering the same questions over and over again. But that's why I got Andy. He does it all.
We see parades. This is for Modi, your political party. Yeah. Okay, very nice. Yeah, we hear good things about him from across India. People are very happy with him.
Are you doing a selfie? He's doing a selfie. He's trying to do a selfie. Are you doing a video or a selfie?
You guys want a selfie? No way, I don't believe it. I don't believe it. You guys want a selfie?
I think we just landed in another place to sleep. We were checking out a temple, but Sahil said we could stay at his place. So we're gonna go check it out. It's morning walk time, right, Sahil?
Yeah.
Yeah, where are we going? Where are we going?
Ground, playground.
Playground? All right. We're gathering food for lunch. Some fresh lima beans.
First time eat?
I don't know. Sahil, what is this? What fruit is this?
Yeah.
What's the name of the fruit?
Hindi name Kanod.
Ganod.
Yeah.
Show me. Okay,
No English name.
that's good. Canoda is my new favorite fruit. Happy. Very happy. We didn't get very far today. It started thundering and lightning, and we've taken shelter.
I mean, it looks really bright outside on this, right? If you click on it. Oh,
man.